Like, at what point of your career you decided that I want to go to Germany?
To be very honest, Germany was never on my list. So I was like, I wanted to go to abroad, and I have tried to go to UK, Ireland. That was a failed attempt many a times. Very upset and very hopeless, honestly speaking. And this turn came as an angel for me.
I decided to go for Germany because Germany has a good healthcare system.
Everyone wants to go abroad, but very few people understands what it takes to get there. From learning a completely new language, handling interviews, getting your documentations, and then getting your visa. This journey is not as easy as it sounds. Today, we are not talking in theory. We are talking about the real experiences of our three selected candidates who have lived this experience. From learning A1 to B2, getting their interviews cleared, and now finally few days away from flying to Germany. Let's welcome our three candidates who have been selected to go to Germany. Hello everyone, how are you today?
Hi, I'm good. Yeah, I'm excited.
Doing great.
Okay, so let's start with you guys introducing yourself. Where are you from and what were you doing before this journey started?
Okay, hi, my name is Ratrune and I'm from Manipur, northeastern region of India. And I have done my BSc nursing from Nagaland, then and also have worked for 4 years as a nurse in India.
That's great.
Hi, my name is Christy and I'm from Delhi. I've done my schooling from Delhi, and after that I've done my BSc nursing from Rajiv Gandhi University, and I have also worked 1 year in the hospital.
Hi, my name is Anshu, and basically I'm from Kerala, but I was born and brought up and did my schooling from Delhi. I did my college from Choitram College of Nursing, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. After that, I came back to Delhi and was working. I've almost done 5 years of job, and yeah, that's about me.
That's great, guys. So I feel like this is a very exciting time for you guys. Like a very few days are left when you fly to Germany. So how does that feel?
Honestly, very exciting and nervous as well, thinking what should I take to Germany, what to pack for Germany. Yeah.
Yeah, it must be very
So much butterflies in my stomach.
Yeah, I can understand that. Like moving to a whole new country, it feels very excited and as well as anxious.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a dream come true because we have been working since 1 year, and yeah, very excited, but also nervous as we are going to begin a new life in a new country. So hope everything goes well.
That's great.
I feel like I just woke up from a very sweet dream and still dreaming because it's not a short journey, it's a very long journey. And I've been waiting for this day, and I'm just a few steps away from my dream come true. So really excited and anxious and nervous all in one. Yeah.
That's so great to hear. I can understand when you dream about something and it finally comes true. So it feels overwhelming. So that is so great, guys. So, Anshu, tell me, like, at what point of your career you decided that I want to go to Germany? And was there any other country you were thinking?
To be very honest, Germany was never on my list. So I was like, I wanted to go to abroad, and I have tried to go to UK, Ireland. That was a failed attempt many a times. So I was standing on a crossroads, and I was like, what to do next? Because I was all prepared for going to Ireland, but then suddenly they paused the vacancies, right? So everyone know about it. Yeah, so they paused the vacancy. I was still waiting, hoping, nahi, kuch to ho jayega. There will be a way, there will be a way. I have waited so long. But then I think things were going haywire, and things were not going according to me. And I was really very upset and very hopeless, honestly saying. And this turn came as an angel for me. I didn't get through it via social media. Somebody close to me once told about Turn. Turn is offering this program, so you guys can learn German language from A1 to B1. start. Initially, it was from A1 to B1, right? So they said ki you can go and learn language, and after that you have to appear for the exam, the interviews, and if things gets right, you'll go to Germany. So Germany basically right now is like same which was UK offering few years back. So it was a very great option. I think चलो कर लेते हैं, इतना करा ही है तो एक जर्मन लैंग्वेज सीख लेते हैं. बहुत एंग्शियस, बहुत नर्वस थी. सीरियसली लर्निंग अ न्यू लैंग्वेज इज नॉट एन ईजी जॉब. It's not an easy job at all. But I came to the office and मुझे लगा थोड़ा बहुत स्कैम तो नहीं है कहीं ये, क्योंकि आजकल यू नो ना कि ऐसे बहुत चलता है, लैंग्वेज सिखा रहे हैं, करवा रहे हैं, एंड इट वाज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट इनिशियली फॉर अस. सो बहुत लगा था, बट देन आई केम हियर, क्रॉस चेक, like I had the conversation with the team and everyone. I just said, I discussed with my parents and they said, चलो कर लो, अगर तुमको करना है, if your heart says you should go, then I just started, unaware of what's coming to me. Like after 2 years, I'll be going to Germany. It was a very, what to say, unexpected thing which I stepped into. जो मुझे लगा था कि शायद मैं कर पाऊंगी, नहीं कर पाऊंगी, but then everything happened accordingly, purposely, and yeah, today I'm standing here. A week later, I'm going to Germany. So that's my whole new journey of this going to Germany.
Yeah, I do get your point about scam. There are a lot of agencies and organizations who are just picking up those candidates who just want to go to abroad and they can do anything for it. They are using that point and they are scamming the candidates, which is very insensitive if you think about it. And for that reason only, we as Stearns started this process to be really transparent about it and to provide the candidates what they are really aiming for.
Yes, true.
Moving on to Christy here.
So it's similar as Anshuvi told. Actually, I was working in the hospital for 1 year and I saw the working conditions and there was no work-life balance. And that's why I decided I should do something else. And my friends, I had already 2 friends in abroad and they were working in UK and they told me that UK has all stopped their recruitments.
Yes.
So then the other option was Germany, and I decided to go for Germany because Germany has a good healthcare system, and they were providing a lot of opportunities for the nurses as well. So I thought that I can build up my career as well, and I can grow personally and professionally also. So then I had discussed it with my friend Opani, who is already in Germany. And we both decided that I told her that UK to recruitment ho nahi raha, so what about Germany? So she also said, yeah, let's also try, because she also gave IELTS and all, but then she couldn't clear those exams. So then we mutually decided, okay, let's do German. Then I came in contact with one agency in South, and I had already booked my tickets. And I was about to go. It was just 2 weeks before, and I was planning to move there down to South and learn German. And there I had, they told me that I had to pay around like 50K or something, and they'll teach me up to B2. And for visa processing, other charges were there. And then I just discussed this with Upani, and thankfully, one day Upani was going through the social media.
Yes, I do understand your concern, and I have heard like Germany is facing shortages of nurses. So I think it's a plus point for you that you selected Germany for you. Now tell me more about like how did you get to know about Turn? What was your research about it? And so what were your points? What were some checkpoints you were looking in a recruitment platform that would help you in going to Germany?
Okay, so I was like saying, Upani was going through this social media, and then she came across Turn Group.
Rupani is from the Turn Group as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
So she's already in Germany now.
That's
So we both decided to join this German course. And before we started with the course, we came personally to this office, to Turn Group's office. And Manish sir had guided us throughout the procedure, what are we expected to do and what the procedure goes like. So, and also he told we saw the advertisement and we felt a bit, is it true or not? That's why we came personally, and so then we came personally, and Manish sir told us and all the procedures, and then we started with our course. We were so convinced with his answers. So then thankfully we were in the right hands.
That's so great to hear about that. What about you, Ruru?
Now, I always dream of working internationally, and that's when I came across through social media about learning German language. So that's when I decided to learn German language and to go and work in Germany. So that is when I came to know about the Turn from social media. Then I contacted them through the social media, and that's how I came to learn about it and join for the German course.
So you were working before, right?
Yeah.
So how was your experience there, and how did you decided now I want to go to Germany?
Yeah, working healthcare system here in India, it's quite hectic. Like there's always a shortage of staff, and we always had to work extra times.
So I think Anshu agrees with it.
We are overworked and underpaid. That's
Yeah.
the true statement of healthcare workers in India.
So were those the main reasons that you chose to go Germany?
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. We have learned about the system there in abroad, how it works, and comparing that to our Indian system, it's like we are missing a lot. So we should, of course, we deserve this much. At least we should go and try once and work there.
And the respect which is given to nurses is like, it's like a variable. Here, though, we are not getting any respect or we are underpaid. There, though, actually, I heard from Upani itself, and she said, like, the respect that we work equally. Doctors and nurses, they work as a team. Nobody is superior. Everybody works for the betterment for the patient. So that sounds great.
I absolutely agree with you, Christy. I feel like nurses are pillars of our society, and sometimes we feel we don't realize the value of nurses. We don't notice nurses. We will only realize their importance when they are gone. I mean, doctors, they are not available at every time, every single point of time, and nurses are there for caregiving, handling the patients, handling the caregivers of the patients. So I think they hold a special place, and we should give them the recognition that they deserve. So I totally agree with you guys. And so let's talk about how it feels to learn a completely new language. Like A1 to B2, there are different levels, and everybody says that B2 is the B1 and B2 are the hardest levels. So tell me about how was the feeling of learning this language from scratch, and was it hard for you? Was it easy for you? What was your total experience?
Yeah, so learning a new language. सोच के आज लगता है कि मैंने क्या अचीव कर लिया. But initially, like when I started with A1, एक चस्का था नया लैंग्वेज सीखने का. So yeah, उस टाइम तो बहुत easy लगा. Like we used to, first day we started with Guten Morgen. That is good morning in Germany. So वो first day हमारा first thing था. तो from next day we started wishing each other with Guten Morgen. तो एक fun था जब हम एक साथ में एक batch पढ़ रहा था. A1 was really very fun, और हमने बहुत ऐसे गेम्स वगैरह खेले हैं. And it was like कि अरे बस यही था क्या जर्मन, ऐसे सोचकर हम आगे बढ़े. एंड उससे एसोसिएटेड वाज A2. A2 वाज आल्सो इजी. compared to A1 and E2. Both were like, वो दोनों लैंग्वेज बहुत इजी था, तो वी वर लाइक कि ठीक है, कर लेंगे. बट देन कम्स B1. क्या बोलूं, B1 एक ऐसा पत्थर, एक ऐसा रॉक जिसको हमको लगा था कि क्रॉस करना ही मुश्किल होगा. Like it was completely new vocabulary, new grammar, and everything was very new. जो हमने A1 में पढ़ा था वो तो बच्चा था इसके सामने, ऐसा था.
So, what was the difference between A1 and A2 and like B1? Like,
A1 is like a complete introduction to a new language. तो बहुत ही basic, मतलब क्या टाइम, what is the time, उसको कैसे हम बोलते हैं, बहुत basic है A1. बट वही जब हम B1 में जाते हैं तो B1 इज द एक्चुअल क्या बोलते हैं, एक बैरियर है. बैरियर नहीं बोलूंगी मैं, इन द सेंस कि एक ऐसा पाथवे है.
yeah, harder than the other legs.
एग्जैक्टली, इट्स रियली हार्डर कंपेयर्ड टू A1 A2. मतलब A1 A2 हमने जब करा तो हमको तो ऐसे ही था कि बहुत इट्स वेरी इजी. मतलब वी वर लाइक, हम सब आपस में मिलके से compete करते थे कि यस A1 में ये न्यू वर्ड सीखा है, ये हम हमारे क्लासेस भी, इट वाज सो इंटरेस्टिंग राइट सृष्टि, कि मतलब हमको ऐसा लगता था कि बहुत अच्छा है. और हमारी ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग हमारी जो ट्यूटर थी डॉक्टर नूरी नारंग, उनको तो रियली अप्रिसिएशन जाता है हमको कि उन्होंने बहुत इजी वे में हमको चीजें सिखाई, समझाई, एंड शी मेड एवरीवन कंफर्टेबल विद द लैंग्वेज. A1 A2 was really good and we're really comfortable with the language.
But absolutely, like I have heard from a lot of students that Noori ma'am is like, she's very great. She teaches us like in a very good way, and she teaches us through various activities, and she plays games with us. So it becomes very easy to learn this language. And I think you guys can say the same.
Yeah. A1, A2, first 2 weeks, like it was, we were just learning the numbers and alphabets, and for third week and all, we started learning articles.
Okay.
Articles and cases, and then we had a bit, we took little bit time to get adjusted to those articles and nominative, accusative.
What does that mean? You have to tell me.
Yeah,
That's
they're like in German,
definite.
we have 4 cases: nominative, accusative, and the articles, the 3 articles changes according to these cases.
Okay.
So we have to memorize all those rules. So it took a bit time, but then we got A2 was very easy. Like A1, our base was clear. Ma'am made it thorough, and our base was clear. That's why A2 was very easy. But then again, B1 में बहुत मुश्किल था. But then we had a good group of students. We used to study together. अभी कल टेस्ट है तो एक दिन पहले हम सब बैठ के, एक हफ्ते पहले हमारा प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता था. Like we used to stay back after the class and then study together, teach each other grammar topics and all.
So, can you tell me any activity that Noori ma'am used to do, like to teach you about some harder stuffs?
Yeah, I remember one activity initial period में था कि जब we started learning numbers, ठीक है, then she made us play a game called bingo. मतलब हम एक सर्कल में खड़े हैं and we start the counting like 0 1 2 0 1 2 3. And when she says bingo, we should not say the number. The next person should say the number. So we have to be mentally aware कि कौन सा नंबर चल रहा है. जैसे अभी 1 2 3
In German, right?
Yeah, in German, the number 0 1 2 3. So जैसे 1 2 3 मेरे पे बिंगो कर दिया. So the next person after me, उसको मेरा नंबर बोलना है.
Okay.
क्या आता है, एक तो हम नंबर से भी we get acquainted, ठीक है, and it's somewhat competitive. And I remember the first time we played, Ruru was the winner of that.
Like,
Yeah, she was the winner of that. 1 to 20 ही हमको सिखाया था, and then she made that, वो गेम खिलाया था मैम ने हमको. सो इट वाज सो इंटरेस्टिंग. तो मैंने तो घर जाके नेक्स्ट डे मैंने तो पूरा काउंटिंग याद कर लिया कि अब मैं नेक्स्ट में जीतूंगी. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हमको काहूट में भी गेम खिलाते थे. एनी मैम थी, उन्होंने काहूट में ऐसे गेम्स वगैरह बहुत करवाए थे कि बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था. जैसे नंबर्स का था, फिर जैसे एज क्रिस्टी सेड कि आर्टिकल्स वगैरह हमको याद करने देते थे, तो वो आर्टिकल्स भी उनके साथ देते, जैसे एप्पल एप्पल है, एप्पल का आर्टिकल क्या है, डी दास डेयर, तो वो वैसे हम उससे याद भी करते थे एंड हम क्या बोलते हैं कॉम्पिटिटिव भी रहता था एंड इट वाज अ फन गेम.
So, is there any proud moment like that happened in your class that you would like to share?
Yes, I remember one proud. It's not a one proud moment actually. So we were the first batch. हम जिस लैंग्वेज क्लास में we used to study, we were the first batch. So फर्स्ट मंथ तक हम भी अकेले एक बैच थे, तो हमको बहुत पैम्परिंग, बहुत एक्स्ट्रा केयर एंड सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से प्रोवाइड करते थे. तो द नेक्स्ट मंथ से एक और नया बैच, आई थिंक फ्रॉम टर्न ही थे वो लोग, उन्होंने एक नया बैच, सेकंड बैच आया था. तो मैं तो सेकंड बैच में जो बच्चे थे वो थोड़े स्टबन थे, मतलब थोड़े उनको लैंग्वेज सीखने में प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी या कुछ था. एंड सीरियसली नूरी मैम आती थी और बोलती थी मेरे को हेडेक हो गया उस क्लास में जाके, यू गाइज आर रियली गुड. तो वो सुन के हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता था, बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट था कि मैम ने सीरियसली हमको बोला कि, क्योंकि हमारा बैच एक छोटा बैच था, लाइक वी वर लाइक 12 पीपल अराउंड, हाँ 15 थे, देन वो कट शॉर्ट हो गए 12 हो गए थे हमारा फाइनली. तो हमारे बैच छोटा था बट वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी टुगेदर एंड हम एक दूसरे को एनकरेज करते थे. दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग आई रियली अप्रिशिएट अबाउट आवर बैच, कि हमने एक दूसरे को एनकरेज करा और साथ में मिलके पढ़ते थे. जैसे क्रिस्टी ने बोला, टेस्ट होता था 2-3 दिन पहले से हम लोग साथ में ग्रुप स्टडी करते थे. ग्रुप के हमारी क्लास अगर 2-3 बजे खत्म हो जाती थी तो आफ्टर दैट यूज्ड टू स्टे बैक एंड यूज्ड टू स्टडी टुगेदर. तो वो सब चीजें एक दूसरे को हम पुल करते थे, मतलब हर चीज में. एंड उस टाइम थोड़ा प्राउड मोमेंट लगा कि मैम ने व्हेन शी कंपेयर्ड अस विद द वेरी नेक्स्ट बैच ऑफ आवर्स, तो शी सेड कि या यू गाइस आर रियली गुड and I'm proud of you, and we also felt proud about that.
That is great. I think it is very important for like an environment to be productive for the students to learn it easily, and it should be encouraging, right? And as you were saying, there were like people were pushing you to just go through it, and Noori ma'am was also encouraging you. And so can you tell me, like, was there any specific challenging moment for you in this journey that you would like to tell us more about?
The main challenge was speaking part. Like बाकी hören, schreiben सब हो जाता था. But
Give me
the
subtitles.
means hearing part, hearing test, and then expression is like speaking.
Okay.
Speaking part, we used to face a lot of difficulty because verb position देखना होता था, टाइम सब कुछ, सब ग्रामर का जो रूल है वो सब फॉलो हो रहा है कि नहीं. तो and also the pronunciation, German pronunciation, to understand that in one go is also a bit difficult. So but ma'am तो हमें like day to day life situations देती थी, and we used to make groups and then we used to have like conversations. So with that we improved our language. And also ma'am फिर films दिखाती थी.
Films in German?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is your favorite film in German?
नहीं, as such फिल्म तो नहीं है, बट निकोज
Film,
वेग
Nico's
एक एपिसोड है, लाइक वो हमको मैम दिखाती थी रोज क्लास के बाद इसको, और मैम यूज टू टेल अस कि घर भी जाके देखो. सो इट्स अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ पर्सन कॉल्ड निको, जो अपना रास्ता, जो जर्मनी जाता है एंड ही लॉस्ट एवरीथिंग, हिज बैग एंड एवरीथिंग. सो ही इज ट्राइंग टू गेट अ वे टू सर्वाइव इन जर्मनी. सो इन दिस मैनर वी लर्न नॉर्मल प्रॉपर कॉन्वर्सेशन, वो सब चीजें इनिशियल पीरियड में हम कैसे वी कैन लाइक सर्वाइव, वो सब चीजें था. सो इट वाज वेरी गुड.
I think that is very good. So, as Christy said that you were the competitive one in the class. So, as she mentioned that there are challenges in speaking German language. So, would you like to give us some advice or some pointers for the students who are learning this language right now?
Okay, so Christy and Anshu, they have already mentioned also that we speak with one another in the classes using only German language. Through that, we improve our speaking, and not only in the classroom, outside the classroom, we speak to one another with English. At home, over the phone, we do that, and that is how we improve our speaking in German.
Yeah, so you were speaking German at your home. So, how are your parents reacting to it?
Actually, I was staying here at in the rain with my friend. So I speak with her and also over the phone with them
Yeah.
through, with German language.
That is great. And can you tell me about what was the easiest part for you and the most difficult part for you while learning the language?
So many difficulties like the grammars and the vocabularies. So it's the grammars and vocabularies. There are lots of vocabularies. So those are the hardest for me.
And I would like to continue the same question. Like, what was the easiest part and what was the like, most difficult part for you?
Yeah, there was no easiest part.
I think the answer goes same with
Same,
everyone.
yeah.
There was no easy part.
No, it was not easy at all. But yeah, difficult part was like after getting to know the articles and everything. After that, we have the third case was there. That was dative. So dative case, as she mentioned earlier, there were three cases: accusative, nominative, and dative. So when we were like getting used to the articles of a particular
I would
thing.
like to just ask, like, what are these cases?
Okay.
I'm
Yeah.
not
In
able to
English, just say
understand.
we have the, and an.
Okay.
So that is the thing in German.
Okay.
So to definite article and non-definite article.
Okay.
Indefinite article. Yeah. So तो वही cases in German है. So when we were getting used to ठीक है apple का ये है ठीक है उसे. Then when the third case come पूरा ही the world goes what should say
Upside down.
upside down exactly upside down हो जाता है आर्टिकल्स पूरा ही चेंज हो जाते हैं एक सेंटेंस में हम सोच रहे हैं अभी कल तक तो हमने यही पढ़ा था आज इस सेंटेंस में तब आता है मैम बोलती है कि दिस इज द थर्ड केस सो एक चीज से वी गेट यूज टू इट देन आफ्टर दैट बूम द थिंग गेट्स रिवर्स्ड चीज़ें वहाँ पे पलट जाती है केसेस बदल जाते हैं सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें फिर हम सोचते हैं कि यार इतना क्यों कॉम्प्लिकेट करना जर्मन को आराम से बात करो फिर एक मैम ने मेरे को ऐसे बताया था कि वी कंपेयर जर्मन विथ इंग्लिश बट एक्चुअली इट इज़ कंपेयर टू हिंदी हिंदी में से हमारा क्रिया होता है मैं खाना खाती हूँ मैं ये नहीं बोल सकती मैं खाना खाता हूँ नहीं बोल सकती अकॉर्डिंग टू द जेंडर जैसा हमारा क्रिया होता है उसी को जर्मन वालों ने उनके हिसाब से एक ऐसा वो बनाया तो विच इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस टू लर्न बट ठीक है व्हेन वी गेट यूज टू इट तो वी गेट कि हाँ ठीक है सिमिलैरिटी समझ में आता है तो दैट वाज द हार्डेस्ट पार्ट कि कब चेंज हो जाते हैं कब केसेस चेंज हो जाते हैं पता ही नहीं चलता
That is so great. Like, you gave an excellent example. I think I might be able to learn some German at the end of this video. So, as you said, like, it was the hardest part. So, what did you do to like make it a little bit easier for you? And anyone, if you want to answer this question.
A simple tip is we were all regular to the class. Every day we would have full attendance and we used to like do our homeworks regularly. And consistency is the key. Because if you're practicing it every day, if you're speaking it every day, so it makes good progress. You can see in your language, you progress it day by day. If you learn a topic that day and you apply it in your speaking, so even ma'am बहुत appreciate करती थी कि oh wow, you are progressing.
So, let's talk about the hardest hurdle of your journey, which is the B2 exam.
yeah
Like, I have heard it's very hard and most candidates take 1 or 2 attempts to clear it. So, what do you have to say about this exam?
Indeed, it was a very hard exam, but for me and my friends, we cleared in our first attempt.
Yes, we know. We are very competitive.
Yes, ma'am. And like it's all thanks to Nuri ma'am and her team because of their consistent support, allowing us to practice every day in the class and as well as we practice at home also with the materials which she gives in the classroom. We practice again and again with the sometimes with the same materials and like practicing in the class as well as at home at least for 2 hours and yeah that is how I'm able to clear my B2 in my first attempt.
You did it in your first attempt? Yes. That is very impressive. And like all of you, like how many attempts? You like first attempt.
Yes.
I think we really have very impressive candidates here. So Ruru, what do you have to say about it? What was so hard about clearing this exam?
For me, everything was hard, like all the 4 modules, which is speaking, listening, reading, because listening, the actual Germans they speak, so it is in a very speed mood, so like it's hard to catch sometimes. And yeah, like in the speaking part, we speak with one another, with my another colleague, exam partner. So there we just get a random topic and we have to um, decide what to speak on the spot at the exam. And at that time it was very nervous, so it's exam and it's nervous, so it's difficult to bring up the vocabulary also. So that was very hard for me.
Yes, I can understand. What about you, Christy? Like, can you take me through the pattern of this exam? Like, what all things comes in this exam? What are the hardest for you? And what do you need to like prepare for this exam?
So in this B2 level, we have 4 modules, that is Lesen, Schreiben, Sprechen and Hören. That is equally to speaking, listening, writing and reading. In TELC, we all wrote TELC exam. So
Is it a certification?
yeah, certified exam. So for the nursing professionals, so mainly TELC is preferred. So we had this Schreiben, Hören and Lesen. That is writing part as a one module and speaking as a another module. So 2 modules. So altogether we have to score about 135. So that is our passing mark.
Like combine or separately?
For writing module, it's like 135.
Okay.
And for speaking, we have to get a 45 out of 75.
Okay.
So, so the preparation ma'am used to give us all the previous TELC examination papers and we used to practice every day. Like she used to time our Lesen, Hören and Schreiben.
Let me guess. Listening, speaking. I don't know the third one.
Writing and reading. So she used to time our this exam. So each module, for example, for writing we have only 30 minutes and we have to write around 150 to 200 words email.
Is it like very hard or moderate? Like I don't know about the speed.
Yeah, because we'll get a question and we have to read and then we have to answer all those. We will be given 4 sub points and we have to cover all those 4 points and write an email.
Okay.
So it's around 200 words you have to write in 30 minutes.
So is it less, I'm assuming? Like 30 minutes is like very short time.
Yeah, and the vocabulary, the grammar, everything should be according to B2 level. You cannot write an A1 level answer to a B2 level. So everything we had to first, we used to like take 45 minutes and then she decreased it by 5. And then at the end, last week of preparation, we were able to complete within 30 minutes. So before 30 minutes, 28 minutes.
With practice. Like,
Yeah.
can you tell me about your record time? If like, can you complete it in 30 minutes or is there somewhere in between you, somebody is completing it in like 28 minutes or 25 minutes like a superhero?
Yeah, people used to finish by like in that main exam, I could complete before 5 minutes and I could go through my whole email.
See, we have a superhero right here.
So this is because of practice. Yeah, every day we used to practice and reading, we used to read like new vocabulary.
So this was the writing part.
Yeah, right. And speaking part, ma'am used to take as it goes in exam. as examiner asks the questions. We have 3 parts over there also, and ma'am be our examiner, and she used to take it as a main exam, telc exam pattern only she used to take.
Okay, so like what happens in the main exam in the speaking module? Like how it goes? Can you tell me about it?
Okay, so we have 3 parts: part A, part B, and part C. So, part A, you have to tell a story or a good experience. So, like that, we are given around 7 situations in which you have to speak randomly.
Okay.
And then
so
your
you
partner.
can choose among those
Yeah.
situations.
Yeah. And then partner asks something, some questions related to it, and also the examiner also asks something related to our experience.
Okay, like partner as in your classmate?
No, no, no. We have an exam partner. 2 people
Okay.
give their speaking test together.
Okay.
And then the second part was to describe a text. We will be given a text. We have to describe it in 5 to 6 sentences, and then we have to say the advantages and disadvantages, and we have to like do a debate. It's like a debate.
But in German. Yeah. Okay.
And then the third part was a conversation. We'll be given any situation. We have to, and all this happens on the spot. We have to, the speaking part, and we have to give it on that spot. We'll be given the topic, and then randomly we have to speak.
That must be really hard, I think. And I would like to know about your experience as well. Like, can you tell me about your exam day? Can you paint the picture?
Nay, I'll go before that. So personally, when I'm alone, I don't study at all. Honestly, that's my experience. So I need someone to study with. So that was from the beginning, from the college time, it has been my habit. So before the exam, like 1 month before, me and my friends, we were 4 people, and we used to stay together and we used to learn and used to study together. So that was one of the major part played in my this exam clearing thing, I would say, because we used to teach each other after the class. We used to go to the class, and then after that we used to stay at one of our friends' home, and then we used to study together, and then the next morning we used to go there to the class. So that was the routine from Monday to Friday.
Yeah, your friends were your classmates only.
Yes,
Okay.
yeah, from my classmates. We were 4. One is already in with Upani, Ashima. She's already in Germany. And next time going, and the 2 are waiting. We all will be going soon. Yeah, so
Going to Germany with friends, I don't know if
Yes,
anything is
yes.
better than that.
yeah, and having good friends as well, having supportive
Absolutely.
friends gives a very positive feedback to our studies as well, right? So I would say कि हाँ, मेरा ये journey, like we used to study together, and we used to spend more time together and learn things together. So that was one of the major things which made me easier to clear the exam. And as my friends have already spoken, there were 4 modules. So the first 3 modules were together, apart from the speaking, first 3 modules were together. So we used to prepare the previous exams. So ma'am used to give us most number of the questions of the exam papers to clear the exam, and it was basically in our classroom. पूरा एग्जाम हॉल का सेटअप रहता था कि मैम टाइमर लगा देती थी, विद इन 60 minutes we have to clear all the 3 modules, so that on the D-day we can perform well. So that was one of the big thing. एक positive चीज़ था मैम का कि मैम used to prepare us exactly for the exam. कुछ मैम, and she used to correct us as well. Exam when I gave class में दिया था, so I literally failed. Like 2 marks shortage था मेरा. So ma'am was really disappointed, and so was I. कि मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा disheartening था मेरा उस टाइम वो मोमेंट. मैंने सोचा था यार क्या है, हाँ मैं ये कर पाऊंगी कि नहीं कर पाऊंगी. बट दैट कंसिस्टेंसी, दैट प्रैक्टिस यूज टू मेक us कि हम लोग साथ में बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करें, एक दूसरे से बात करें, एंड देन उन्होंने हमको प्रॉपर टेक्निक्स वगैरह बताया कि यू हैव टू बी टू द पॉइंट, ज़्यादा एलैबोरेट नहीं करना, टाइम लिमिट सब होता है. तो दैट प्रैक्टिस एंड दैट कंसिस्टेंसी made me clear my speaking exam in one go. So that is a big achievement for me. And guess what? मेरी पार्टनर कौन थी? Christy.
Oh, that's it.
I do believe manifestation. Honestly saying, मैं चाहती थी कि कोई मेरे साथ के क्लास में हो तो it would be easier for us to converse. Like in conversation में हम लोग को and वहाँ पे जाकर ही हमको पता चला था कि हमारा कौन है पार्टनर. पहले से कुछ प्री प्लान नहीं था. So जब हम we are preparing for our not preparing like we get our time for speaking. So उससे पहले हमें एक हॉल में बिठाया था and then they randomly they are selecting people. And मेरे साथ was Christy. So वहीं पे I thought मेरा half battle is won. Right.
Like it was
तो-
like a boost of
हाँ,
confidence.
exactly. And हमको जब टॉपिक 1 में तो हमको अपना एक्सपीरियंस कुछ शेयर करना होता है तो we practice that. Priorly we practice that. तो हम उसमें हमारा थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है. Then the second topic like we got कि smoking is good or bad. तो उसके ऊपर हमको एक डिबेट करना था. तो वो एक ऐसा कॉन्वर्जेशन मतलब बिल्कुल फ्लो होना चाहिए. ये भी नहीं कि हम रट कर आए हो वहाँ पे 3-4 सेंटेंस बोल रहे हैं, ऐसा नहीं. तो दैट इज व्हाट एग्जामिनर एक्चुअली लुक्स कि हमारा कॉन्वर्जेशन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा. वो हमको बीच में इंटरप्ट भी करते तो उस पर भी हम कैसे रिएक्ट करते हैं, कैसे रिस्पॉन्स देते हैं, तो वो सब चीज़ें था. तो ऑल इन ऑल जब एग्ज़ाम देने गए थे एंड एक चीज़ आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड, हम लोग सब चंडीगढ़ गए थे एग्ज़ाम देने एंड टर्न की टीम स्पेशली दीक्षा मैम थी उस टाइम, दीक्षा मैम एंड इनके साथ एक और थे, वो आए थे हमको बूस्ट अप करने के लिए. सो हमको भी ऐसे लगा कि ठीक है कोई हमारे साथ है, लाइक समवन इज बैकिंग अस अप. तो क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम देने के लिए हम मतलब वी यूज्ड टू पे वी हैव टू पे द एग्ज़ाम फी एंड देन तो हमको लगा तो कोई नहीं आएगा, बट देन टर्न रियली हेल्प्ड अस. उनको हमको एक मोरल बूस्ट करने के लिए कोई आया था एंड उसके बाद भी जब सब कुछ होने के बाद भी शी केम एंड लाइक उन्होंने पूछा सब कैसा है. तो इट वॉज अ गुड थिंग कि चलो एग्ज़ाम देने के बाद हमको बैकअप करने के लिए भी कोई हमसे पूछने के लिए, बिकॉज वी आर नॉट गिविंग द एग्जाम इन दिल्ली, वी वर गोइंग टू चंडीगढ़. सो एक अच्छा था, एक अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. एंड एग्ज़ाम दे के मैं सच में भी भूल गई थी, मैंने तो हो गया है, मेरे को ऐसा लगा था कि एक पॉजिटिव वाइब्स आई गई थी. सो इट वॉज अ वेरी गुड जर्नी एंड एक या
I agree with you. Like giving exam is a very scary moment for like a student,
Yes.
candidate. And if no one is there to support you or to encourage you, it feels like you feel a little bit nervous.
nervous,
at that time.
exactly, yeah.
So it's like great that people from Turn came to support you and they helped you in every bit, like throughout the preparation as well, and when you are giving the exam as well,
Yes,
which
yes.
is a great thing to do for a student that is just going to sit in the exam that can change his or her life. So I think that is a very good point.
Yes, of course.
So let's talk about your interview preparation. And I feel this is the main deciding point of your entire journey. So can you take us through your journey of preparing for your interviews and sitting in the interviews? Were you nervous? Were you excited? Like, what was that feeling about?
So I got placed through TTM, that is Talent Match, and so before my main interview, I was prepared very well. I should like really give that credits to the Turn team because I was prepared for the like whatever like worst. Because if my interview goes, they prepared me for the harder level. I must say that because I had almost 10 to 15 screening tests before my main interview, like mock interview.
Okay, so it happens for every one of you?
Yeah,
mock
everyone.
interviews?
Yeah.
Okay, can you tell me a little more about the mock interviews before the real interview?
Okay. So first they do their screening test. They just see how are we able to understand all the questions which are put up, and then are we able to answer it fluently, our fluency, our pronunciation, our grammar. If you are able to clear that first two interviews, first two screenings, then they will match our profile with the main client, with the main hospital.
Okay.
According to our experience and all, they will match our CV with the main
The employers. Yeah.
employers. So, so first we could clear all the screening tests, and then we were asked to give the interviews with the German natives.
Okay,
Yeah, from the turn team only.
from the turn T, these were
Yeah.
the mock interviews you're
Yeah,
talking about?
mock interview, so that we get used to the pronunciation and we feel comfortable. What are the questions we were asked about our experiences in the hospital, about our tasks which we have to accomplish in the hospital.
Okay.
And then after we had around 10 to 15 mock interviews.
So it's like mandatory for everyone to do a certain amount of interviews?
Yes.
Okay, okay, that is great. I think this is a very crucial step. So it's very important to be prepared. And I think these many interviews make you comfortable for the actual interview.
Actually, we used to have every alternate days, we used to have that interview session. It was around 15 to 20 minutes, I guess. And they used to ask about our introduction and they used to put up some questions for which we have to answer. And they used to score us according to the performance. So, and they give the score to the turn team and they will decide whether we are ready for the interview or not. So likewise, we had around 2-3 weeks of this interview preparation, and then after that, we went for our TTM.
Okay.
Turn.
So if like you score really good in one interview, do you still have to give
Yes, yes.
like the other
That was a
interviews?
preparation,
Okay,
actually.
okay.
These mock interviews were preparing us for the main day. So we had to attend that. And if we miss that, we like the other day, we have to be punctual for that.
Yeah,
So it was
and the
like that.
turn team would compare all the results of all our mock interviews and then give us the chance to sit in the main interview.
I think that is a very thorough process.
Yes,
and
yeah, it
it's
was.
very commendable.
Yes.
And what about your interviews, Ruru?
Yeah, like my friends, they have already mentioned mock interview. Having alternate days, it has helped me a lot to overcome the fear of the real interview. So that is how I overcome my fear in everything.
And
And I would like to add one thing, like this turn team, they had prepared some AI technology. So the for the questions which we haven't answered, they used to put up that question and we have to like record that answer and then they will judge ki theek hai, are we meeting all the criterias. So that was some, I don't remember the name exactly, that was some AI tech. सो हम इंटरव्यू के बाद हमारे क्वेश्चन जो भी पेंडिंग थे विच वी डिडंट परफॉर्म वेल विद द ट्रेनर्स, तो हम उसको वी कैन आंसर दैट एंड देन वी कैन बी लाइक comfortable with the answers and everything. So that was a very good step. मैंने देखा नहीं था ये सब स्टेप, बट दिस वॉज गुड कि वो हमको प्रिपेयर भी कर रहे थे, बूस्ट भी कर रहे थे, एंड दे गेव अस अ रिक्वायर्ड आंसर्स एज वेल फ्रॉम द AI with the help of
I
the AI.
think those interviews were preparing you for the worst situations
Yes,
that could come in your way. And I think it's a great step by
Yes.
any platform. I don't know if I have come across other platforms that see all these tiny details and
Yes.
prepare the candidates so
Yeah.
much so through that they can be full on confident in the final interview and they can be sure like they can like
We'll
clear
try.
the interview
Yeah,
one go,
exactly.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, so that is really good. Okay, Anshu, let's talk about the D-Day, the final interview, the final step to this whole journey. How was your interview?
Yeah, so I still remember that day. So we were, हम लोग को बोला था कि we have to dress nicely, professionally and should be confident and rest you all know कि तुमको language तो आता ही है, so you will do it. तो हमको पहले से ही mentally हमको prepare कर दिया था and all they wanted was be confident, nothing else. They'll of course they'll check our vocabulary, our language, but more than that we should be confident in front of the interviews. So it was well organized, well prepared. We were in a group, we went there and the recruiters were from 3 different hospitals, 3 different companies. So the recruiters also came, they gave their introduction. It was एक क्या बोले, एक अच्छा एक मीटिंग जैसे एक प्रिपेयर था कि nobody was nervous, nobody should be nervous, ऐसा उन्होंने प्रिपेयर करके रखा था. एंड मीनवाइल उन्होंने हमको हमारा ऑर्डर नंबर भी दे दिया था कि किस ऑर्डर में हमको जाना है, क्या हमारा नंबर है, ये सब दे दिया था. सो एंड वन थिंग स्पेशली जो लिम्बुर्ग वेयर वी थ्री हैव बीन प्लेस्ड, उनका यही कंसर्न था कि द कैंडिडेट शुड बी कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ टू डील द पेशेंट
So you have been placed
together.
together
Yes.
at the same place.
Yes.
That is like really good.
Yeah, we are going together and we have good group going to the Limburg, which is in
Is it a-
Hessen,
Okay.
near to Frankfurt.
Okay.
Yeah, so the recruiters, honestly speaking, recruiters are very good. Like, they made us comfortable. I would say it was like this only, as a table mein, they were sitting this side, and whenever any candidate was entering, they used to get up and greet us and welcome us.
That's
Like,
so sweet.
seriously, I only heard German people are very sweet, but that day मैंने देखा अपनी आंखों से, like I felt the warmth they created so that we should not be nervous. They made that thing very comfortable for us. So yeah, the German recruiters भी थे, and with us turn के एक मैम भी थी जो she is in Germany, but in turn company only. So yeah, so I personally would say मेरा after lunch था. We were all busy with the games and with the other कुछ presentations हो रहे थे, and then we were playing Kahoot games, and in the middle of that मुझे बुला लिया. मैं भूल ही गई थी कि मेरे इंटरव्यू के लिए मैं आई हूँ एक्चुअली. ऑनेस्टली सेइंग, मैं भूल गई थी. मैं तो बिल्कुल ही वहाँ पे गेम खेल रही थी, हम लोग वो प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे, ऐसे हमारा क्विजेस वगैरह चल रहा था. एकदम से मुझे बुलाया, एंड देन आई वाज लाइक ओके ठीक है, फाइनली अंशु, दिस इज द डे यू वर बीइंग प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर ऑल दिस फाइल, यू हैव टू जस्ट गिव योर बेस्ट. दैट्स ऑल मैंने अपने मन में सोचा, एंड देन आई एंटर्ड द रूम. While entering the room, as I already mentioned, उन्होंने इतने warmth के साथ वेलकम किया, like the nursing director, he came and he welcomed me and he gave me the seat, offered me the seat, and he made me comfortable first, and then he said, okay, just introduce about yourself. बस 2-3 लाइन मैंने बोला, and then कुछ questions उन्होंने पूछे कि which department you have been working and what was your experience here and ये सब. And एक personal question था, मैंने उनसे खुद से बोला, I know my German is not that good right now, but I will definitely learn German, and I'm single right now, I want to get married. So his question was कि will you marry a German person or an Indian person? So I said, I will, according to the situation, I will decide. So he said, no, you will be coming to Germany. So he made sure of that, and there were 2 recruiters and both of them were very comfortable, made me comfortable, and बहुत अच्छे से. I remember मैं जब बाहर step out किया, people were saying इतनी बड़ी हंसी तो आज अभी तक उन्होंने हंसे नहीं कि क्या ऐसा इंटरव्यू हुआ. सो जब मैं एग्जिट करा मैंने वो हॉल, तो आई वॉज कॉन्फिडेंट इनफ कि येस, आई थिंक आई हैव मेड इट. रेस्ट इवनिंग में रिजल्ट आएगा, and then we'll get to know. So this was my whole journey, and in the evening हम लोग को result declare करे थे. We were around 20 people.
The same day the results
Yes,
were to be
that was also the best thing. We were not
exactly.
hanging कि हमको पता नहीं चले कि नहीं. हम जिस एक्साइटमेंट से उस होटल में घुसे थे, उससे डबल एक्साइटमेंट में एग्जिट करा. दैट वाज द बेस्ट थिंग कि उसी दिन हमको रिजल्ट का भी पता चल गया कि या नाउ वी हैव बीन प्लेस्ड. एंड एज सून एज आई गॉट दिस न्यूज़, आई जस्ट कॉल्ड माय फादर एंड आई वाज लाइक, डैड, I got the interview. I cleared the interview, and he was very emotional. He said, thank God. This was one of the dream, not for me, but for my parents as well. So one hurdle was done. So while remembering that day, still getting jitters. Seriously, I'm shaking from the inside कि वो दिन मेरा कैसा, I just cleared it.
I can really see it in your smile.
Yes.
Like, I think you had a blast on your interview day.
Yes, exactly.
People are nervous and they get this real anxiety, like what they are gonna ask and what will I answer. But I think the interviewees, like, they made you comfortable, right?
Yes, that was the best thing.
Yes, and that is, I think, the most positive thing, you know,
Yes.
in that scenario. So you got comfortable and you started like going with the flow, and it's very great to hear about the experience.
And talking personal thing as well.
Yeah, you are
Is it-
still smiling year to year. I can understand
Yes.
how good interview you
Yes, it
had.
was.
And I really hope that the same goes with you as well. How was your interview?
So I was the first one to attend the interview.
The first candidate? Right. You got after lunch and you were the first
First
candidate.
First one to go, and I didn't have any idea how this interview would go. And as I entered, as Anshuli said, they came running towards me and they like wished me, "How are you?" And then they made me comfortable, and then they sat, and then we were just having the normal conversation. It didn't felt like that I am getting like they are interviewing me. It's just in the conversation they asked, like in between the conversation they asked, what is your experience? How many patients did you handle? So I didn't feel like कि मेरा interview हो रहा है
It was
वहाँ.
just like a conversation.
Yeah. Between they were saying about their state, Limburg, about their hospital, how many patients, and about their shifts, and what all queries I had. They all answered to all my queries. So I didn't feel that I was being judged according to a conversation that it went. So when I came out, all were I said, "How was it? How was it?"
Yes, the first student has to bear all the questions. And how was it? How was your like interview?
So I said like it was just a normal conversation, and they were like not able to believe me how it can happen like that. Then the second one went, and then he also said it was a very, and even the they appreciated me that you speak very well German. So like it was very nice experience. So in between the interview उन्होंने like मेरे को appreciate किया कि that you speak very well German, and they told that to learn further, like don't stop till B2, learn C1 C2, and
So there are more levels to it?
yeah,
Yes.
This is C2. What are like C1 and C2 about?
intermediate levels.
Okay, okay.
So I was very happy that the overall experience was so nice, and the worst I had expected, but because of all the mock interviews and the preparation that turn team gave me, the final interview went so smoothly, and I would really like to thank all the trainers who trained me for the main interview.
So I think it's easier than most of the other levels. Like your interview was the best part of your journey. Can you
Yes,
say?
yes, definitely.
That's super great. So moving on, most people think that selection is the end to this journey, but it's just the beginning. Like I mean,
Nice.
after the interview, after the B2 exams, there are many approvals and documentation that needs to be done. So can you take me through the entire process after the interview, like after finishing your interview? What are the things that need to be done before flying to Germany? Like, let's start with you.
Okay, so as you mentioned, everyone thinks कि ठीक है अब इंटरव्यू हो गया है एग्जाम क्लियर हो गया अब तो जस्ट वी आर फ्लाइंग नो द वेट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम देयर ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग उसके बाद एक्चुअल हमारा पेशेंस हमारा वेटिंग टाइम पीरियड जो होता है वो स्टार्ट होता है सबको लगता है कि ठीक है वंस वी हैव क्लियर्ड द एग्जाम वंस वी हैव क्लियर्ड द इंटरव्यू वी आर ऑल सेट टू गो टू जर्मनी but that's not the case for Germany especially because the wait starts from after clearing the exam. The actual patience जो हमारा पेशेंस टेस्ट होता है आफ्टर क्लियरिंग द एग्जाम्स बिकॉज जर्मन्स आर अ लिटिल बिट स्लो लाइक उनका प्रोसेस थोड़ा स्लो होता है सो दे टेक टाइम इन एवरीथिंग या सो वंस वी क्लियर आवर एग्जाम वी हैव टू वेट फॉर बिसाइड विच ऑलमोस्ट टेक्स 3 to 4 months. Bescheid is basically a notice we get from the state where we are going to work. Okay. Our documents get translated in German, and which it includes all our working hours. And after that, getting the Bescheid, if we have cleared the exam, then they automatically apply for VORAB. VORAB is pre-approval for visa. So if we get these two documents, then the things get easier, and then it's like ki, ab we are near to our flying process. So
So this is before the visa?
yeah,
Okay. And these are the only two steps that you need to like apply for?
So first we'll get the Bescheid, and after this we have to apply for Forab. Forab is actually a pre-approval visa. So if we have this Forab, we can easily apply for our main visa, and we will with this Forab we'll get our visa within 2 weeks. So it makes it more faster. And after getting our work visa, yeah,
So you're just ready to fly to Germany, right?
we're just waiting for the company to send us the tickets, and then yeah, we are all ready to fly. But yeah, I would definitely want to mention the wait is a bit longer than expected. It does take more than 6 to 8 months.
Okay.
Like,
that's
so we should not lose our patience. We should be like, I would say ki there were times like we were disheartened ki the process is getting very slow. What to do next? What should we do? Whether we should continue our work in here, India, or we should wait, spend some time with our family. So we were a bit confused and everything in dilemma. So it was a very long time, long journey. We had to wait for a long time, but then I would say the wait was worth it.
absolutely. So you're talking about like these 7-8 months.
Yes.
It's like after your
Completing the exam, after clearing the exam.
okay, after clearing the exam, you have to wait for 7-8 months for the documentation process.
Yes, it does take a lot of
Okay,
time.
that's too long. I can understand the wait, and you're just sitting there. You don't know what to do, and I really believe like it would be really hard to wait to just go to Germany because you have cleared the exam, you have done your interviews. So absolutely, like kudos to you guys that you have completed this hardest part, and I would like to ask, like, as you were saying, this process could be very confusing, like applying for so many approvals, the documentation,
Yes.
and everything. So, do you feel guided throughout this process by Turn? Like, and how did Turn helped you in doing this entire process?
Ruru, you speak some.
Ruru, can we start with you?
So this entire process, like they have mentioned, it was a very long process. We had to wait for so long, and with our patience, it's worth the wait. And so, like during the whole process, for me, whenever I feel doubt, I always send a message to Ankita ma'am saying what will happen or any update. I always ask for update, and she helped me a lot through this. So and through this, I believe she with her support and the Turn support, I believe that everything will come to an end in a good hand. So
I can really understand the weight that you have to do. Like it's very anxious situation. Like I really do understand.
but Turn team was very helpful throughout the wait as well.
I'm really glad that we helped you like to just go through all this process like easily, smoothly, and never at any point you felt alone.
Alone,
Like you
yes,
were alone in
exactly.
this journey.
We were always guided by Turn team, by one or the other person. There was so much transparency. If we are, what would I say, if we are devastated, we could just directly tell them. And what is this going on? We are really waiting for a long time. Then she would say, like, okay, I'll get to you after talking to the German team. So they were all helping us and they were guiding us and guiding us throughout this journey. We never felt alone.
Yeah, that's commendable. Like because this is where many students feel lost.
Yes.
And it is very important to support during this particular
And I would
time.
say, in between, my parents used to ask, was this all worth it? Like you cleared the exam, is this platform is genuine or not? He used to
Even after clearing the
yes,
exam?
because the wait was too much.
Yeah,
We cleared the exam in August. On August 2nd, the results were declared. So as I mentioned, throughout this journey, Turn were always there to support us, and one or the other person were there to always, they made sure that we don't lose our patience, we don't lose our hope. So my father once asked me, is this platform fake or something like that, after clearing the exam, because the weight was too much. So I said, nahi, nahi, Papa, people are going there, not from our batch, but theek hai, others are also going. Turn used to update about everything. So I had hope in turn, and it turned out to be, everything turned out to be perfect.
Okay, that's really great to hear. Like, as you mentioned, your father was concerned. I believe this journey is not about just the candidates, it's
Yes.
about their families too. So, moving on to my next question, what was the reaction of your family? Like, when you got to know that you got selected and you were just flying to Germany in few days, like, what was the reaction?
So, like during the long process, my family, they keep on asking, when are you going? When are you going? So that question, when are you going, always stuck in my mind, and I got so fed up with it. So I said, I'm going soon. and and finally, when I got the receive my ticket, I said, I'm going on 14 May is my flight. I'm going, and they were all very excited with me. Finally, you are going. So everyone is very excited.
So when my parents heard that, okay, finally I'm leaving the country and going to Germany,
I think all parents were happy about their daughters
Yes,
leaving the
yes.
country.
yeah, they were very excited and also a bit nervous also because it's my first time and it would be my first international flight also.
Yeah, that's so great to hear, right? First international flight.
Yes.
You must be so excited.
So excited and also curious how the life will there be, but I'm sure Turn is going to accompany me for the whole journey. Yeah.
So, was there any emotional scene at your family, like your parents, when they heard about the news?
So how I like break the news to my parents. So I didn't tell them directly. I just sent my air ticket in a family group, and I made a video of my father.
That's a bold move, I must say.
Yes, I just said ki my sister has sent something in the group. Just check it once. What is that? So my father just opened. I was making a video. I have that video in my phone. So my father was opening, and he was trying to understand what is this. And all of a sudden, he got, my daughter is leaving me. That was his reaction. My daughter is leaving me soon. He was really happy. Of course, this wait is over now. Mm, As I said earlier, that it was not just my dream, my parents' dream as well. They were also supporting me throughout this journey, because I was not earning, like I was not working. So they supported me throughout this journey and always guided me. Ki, okay, fine. If you want to do this, okay, do that. We'll be there for you. So it was my parents' journey as well. And when they got to know, my mother was happy. Thank God, finally it is like she is like moving now. That's good. She should make her own life. She was happy for me, for my future. But my dad got emotional. His first reaction was, my daughter's leaving me, and I don't know how to live without her now. She's not moving to another city. She's moving to another country. So he was emotional, and seeing him, I got also emotional. But then, yeah, that is what this phase of my life is, right? If I want to make a future for myself, I have to leave my parents. But then I assured them, koi nahi, bula lungi aapko bhi. I won't leave you alone here. So yeah, so the reaction was mixed emotion. My sister also was saying, मेरे को अभी से रोना आ रहा है. Still there are 15 days left, but she said, मेरे को तो अंशु अभी से रोना आ रहा है, तू मेरे से दूर हो रही है. So we are a little bit emotional people. So yeah, the reaction was like as I expected. When I'll tell them that I'm moving, when I'll tell them about my ticket, I knew they would be reacting like this. So it was good. They were very much happy because finally my dream is coming true. But on the other hand, they were emotional as well.
That's so sweet to hear all of your experiences. And I'm sure now that the time is approaching and you're gonna
Yes.
fly next week. Like,
Yeah.
it feels so surreal. What do you have to say about that? Like, we're just gonna leave next week, guys.
Still, I am not still processing it. I still feel like nahi abhi time hai, but next Wednesday. Like it's just 7 days to go now. So everything, packing and keeping every stuff, it's really hectic as well. And we are excited also, but very confusing on the other hand, because we don't know what to take with us and what not to take with us.
It's just
Because we
like-
have limited
Exactly.
baggage. Yeah, 23 kg. So we have to keep everything in that only. And we are moving for a new country, to a new country. So I don't know.
Absolutely. I think
I'm
it
still
feels like you're just packing your life
Yeah.
here and you have to start
taking it to a new
again in the
country.
new
Yes,
country.
exactly.
So, Christy, tell me about what are you looking most forward to once you reach Germany? Now that it's just around the corner.
So the culture, I'm looking forward for the culture. अभी तक तो मैंने सुना है कि about, I've learned about it and I've heard about it, but now I'm going to experience the new culture, the language, and the places mainly.
So, like, have you made a list, like the places you want to visit in June? Can you tell me?
I want to visit Berlin. I want to visit Erlangen, where my friend Upani lives, and Frankfurt, and all the main cities. I would like to travel the whole Germany and all the European countries.
It must be great to see your friend again.
Yeah.
You're talking about her in the
All the
entire video. She must be so happy watching this video.
She is very excited. She's like, oh, now only these many days are left to come. And she is more excited than me, I feel. Every day she texts like, oh, you're coming. I'll just come the next day and visit you.
Friends are like that. I mean, like they just want your success, and when you succeeded, they just can't wait to share it with you.
Yeah.
And it's great that you have such kind of friends and you are going
To meet
to meet them soon. That's very great. So, Ruru, what do you think you will miss the most about in India?
Okay, so I think I will miss the most my family,
Yeah, that's true.
not forgetting the Indian food, the Indian cuisine. Of course, I will get there, but I will miss the foods and the people here.
What's your like most favorite cuisine of India that you just want to pack it in your suitcase and take it to Germany?
There are lots which I cannot say the whole list, but I'm definitely not missing the Maggie. So I will take Maggie and take along with me.
I think it's the most staple food that in
Yes,
as we are just taking it, packing it in the suitcase and taking it with us. What about you, Anshu? Like, what will you what will you miss most about India?
Yes, I will definitely miss my family because, of course, living with family and living alone is a very different thing. I'll miss my family, and the most important thing is like I'll miss the food. Rajma chawal is my favorite, and yeah, I can make that there also, but Indian touch that will not be there. So Rajma chawal, the street food, golgappe. Oh my God, I can't imagine living
You're
without
getting hungry after
Golgappe.
listening to it. Okay, so I want to ask one very important question from all of you. Like a lot of students who are just thinking about starting this Germany or starting this. So, what would you want to tell them so that they can start this journey with ease?
Yeah, I would like to start saying like German is difficult, but it's not impossible to learn. That's what I have learned in my journey. And you have to be consistent. You have to be regular on your studies and everything. And of course, you have to choose a perfect recruitment platform who can guide you properly. And you have to be patient as well. And this journey will be worth living, I would say.
So I would like to say to all candidates that first have confidence in yourself and also trust the process, because it might take a longer time, it might test your patience, but it's all worth at the end. We have all gone through this process, and now I can say I'm more patient, I'm more confident, I can speak German. Ich kann Deutsch. So yeah, all the best for your future journey.
So I would like to say, believe in yourself, trust the process, trust turn, and have patience.
So, guys, thank you for being so honest and so real about your journey today. I'm sure a lot of people will take inspiration from you and they will get a boost to start that journey which they were afraid to start. So, thank you so much for this conversation.
Thank you.
And I wish you all the best. And
Thank you.
it's like you are just going to Germany, and I'm kind of envious of you. Like, I surely want to visit Germany as well. But all the best.
Thank you.
And I'm sure your new life will be as crazy and as beautiful as you are imagining it right now. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Today wasn't just a conversation, it was a reminder. A reminder that every going abroad story, it's not all glitters. There is a lot of hard work that goes behind it. From the conversation that we had today, we realized that none of them had perfect journey, but they chose to continue it anyway. And that's what make it different. So if you are thinking, can I do this? The answer is simple. If they can, you can, and you should start it right away. And for everyone watching us today, if you have any queries regarding this process, drop it in the comments below and we are here to help you. Join us today by signing up on our platform.